具合, used when asking or saying how someone's health is, or how a machine is working. Also, used to talk about progress, or how something feels to use. 具合、体の様子や機械の調子を尋ねるときに使います。仕事の進み方や使い心地を話すときにも使います。It is used as a noun. 具合 talks about the condition of people or things, how something works or feels, the way it is done, and whether it is suitable or convenient. 人や物の様子、働きの状態、やり方、そしてちょうど良さ、相性を表します。The first kanji means tools and also the idea of being fully equipped. You see it in 道具 for tools. It also appears in gutai, meaning concrete and specific. Think of real items and clear details. The second kanji means to fit, to match, and to come together. You see it in 合同 for joint or together. You also see it in 合格 for passing an exam. It often suggests things matching well. How are you feeling? 体の具合はどうですか？体の具合はどうですか？ I'm feeling a little unwell today. 今日は少し具合が悪いです。今日は少し具合が悪いです。This watch is in good condition. この時計は具合がいい。この時計は具合がいい。Check out the elevators. エレベーターの具合を見てください。エレベーターの具合を見てください。The most common synonyms of the word are 調子 and 状態。調子 focuses on performance or tempo, especially for machines or body energy. 状態 is a neutral word for the current state. 具合 often adds the feel of suitability or comfort in real use. The most common antonym of the word is 不具合. While 具合 can be neutral or good, 不具合 clearly means something is wrong or not working as expected.